Welcome to another one of my lovely videos. Right, we have a Microsoft Surface Duo 2 here. Quite a small box actually. I thought it'd be a bit bigger than that. I'm not going to show that side because it's got all the information about the phone, the IME and everything. But there we go. I mean, that is it. That is the box. So let's have a quick look. It's got a tab here. I did get a blade out to help me out here, but didn't need it this time. Right. Let's get that little fellow out of this box. Get rid of that rubbish over there. And yeah, nice little box. Not in perfect condition, but it's serving its purpose to protect the phone or mini tablet. Right, here we go. Let's pop that like that. Here is the device on top. It's just very nice, nicely packed. Yeah, very nice. Didn't realise I'd done this in a white, otherwise I would have got the white one. Right, nothing exciting under here. I really don't know what that is in there. That is SIM pin tool, which you're not meant to get a lot in these. Although you are meant to get a set of headphones, which doesn't look like it's in here. Or is that only for the EU? Doesn't matter. Oh no, there is some in there. Doesn't really matter because I don't need them. So you've got your headset there, which is not particularly. It's not attractively wrapped up there, but then it's not horrible. Yeah, and the wire. There we go. That's all that is in the box. Alright, get in there. Get in there. Get in there. It never goes back in the box how you want it to, does it? Right. Bits down there. And we will do the unpeeling. Well, that doesn't work very well. Oh, maybe you meant to open it. Ah, yes, there we go. Wow, I must say, beautiful looking screen. This is going to pick fingerprints up like you wouldn't believe. But there it is, Surface Duo 2. Very nice looking. I like that a lot. And this basically just bought for editing videos on. I'm fed up of using the slow MacBook. But I like that, very nice. Very nice. I've already got fingerprints all over it just from me doing this. I plan to get a skin. There is one that I've designed myself, which is green and orange. Right, if you look down there, you can actually see the slope on the camera, so then when you've got it open up with the other screen on top of it, it sort of folds across it equally. It's a good little thing they done there. Right, let's pop these bits back in the box. I'm going to keep hold of that because I always keep all my bits and pieces for my phones. Which bit was under there? That's on the charger. It's packaged very well, I must say that. I can't grumble with that. It's not destroying the earth packaging, so it's absolutely fine. Yeah, I'm sort of shoving that bit in there, but it shouldn't be an issue. Oh, I think I might have got that round the wrong way, but anyway, there we go, that goes in there. It's got a couple of little holes there for where the volume buttons and that go. It's pretty tight fit, but I like that. Yeah, really nice. Can't wait to set that up later. I will do a setting up video for this, just so you can all see how to set it up. I'll set it up without a SIM card because it doesn't need to have a SIM card in it to set it up, because it's basically just a mini computer. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe.